and welcome to today's video where we're looking at a wide angle lens for your cell phone and a smartphone 3D lens for your cell phone. And if we open this up, ooh, I have a little bag to put your little lens in. Yes, cat, a little bag. And we have a lens cap for your digital camera and mobile phone. Super wide's 0.4 times. Yes, that's super wide. Not sure if you can see how super wide this is, apparently. Apparently it's super wide, enough for my cat to jump off his bed and come and see what we're doing. I suppose at work I'm not even going to bother showing test footage because I'd probably waste my time. Unless... will it actually fit? I think so. So let's see what happens when I pull this off. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Now you can see the curvature of straight items. I suppose that would work. Pretty good. These are available in Poundland for a whole £1. Apparently. And next I have a 3D smartphone lens. Not looking forward to this because I know what it's going to be. It's just going to be a split lens. Yep. It's a split lens and it's already filthy. Couldn't even bother to clean it before I got it at the factory. Okay. That's it, apparently. Knock it down, see what happens. Yep. Doesn't even work. See what happens with take a picture. Actually, let's have a quick check. Get the sound right. That's the best that I can actually do. Nope. Don't waste your time with this. That's why August was selling them off for 50p each. And they even couldn't sell them then. If you enjoyed this video, please check back for more coming soon.